going on, guys? Today I'm here with Cereal Time with Luke. What? Water with Nader. And sandwiches with Sean. Today, we're gonna be doing a little vlog, and I'm playing the claw machine to start us off. Okay, I've got plenty of quarters here. That's 25 cents a play. That's cheap. Let's go ahead and, it says 50 cents. It's 25 cents a play. Definitely good for that USA energy. Let's check my ankles. Okay, we're going for that one again. It looks like an easy grab, but it's a pipe prize and I want it. Good. All right, boys. Now, it seems pretty easy to get, but that's something a beginner would say. Now, last time I went too far forward. This time I went too far backwards. There it is. That's it. No, you went too far backwards. Nah. Well, boys, we walked home with nothing. Nothing from the claw machine, so we're gonna go check out the store and see if we can find anything else. Now, Sean, is your channel starting today?
It is. It's big news for the YouTube community.
Now, give you a little shout out. Go ahead, tell me what your channel's like
so
and
we're
what you can expect.
Sean here. We eat sandwiches. We rate sandwiches.
You make them?
We make sandwiches. And we just enjoy eating, making, rating sandwiches. Probably. Right. And I'm really excited for this collab to be a part of.
Four of the greats.
Probably one of the greatest collabs ever in YouTube history. So I'm really honored to be a part of it. So.
All right, well, thank you, and please go and sub to Sean wherever he makes his channel. I'll link that in the bio. I'll link Water with Nader in the bio, and of course your fan favorite Cereal Time with Luke. He's in the description down below. All right, boys, me and Water with Nader, we're walking around, and we lost Cereal Time with Luke and Sandwich with Sean. We have no clue where they went. We're gonna have to go find them and hunt them down. So. Still looking for Sean and Luke. A13 cereal. Now, if there's anywhere Cereal Time with Luke be hiding, it would be in the cereal aisle. Not in the cereal aisle. Boys, I think we've gone around the whole entire Walmart.
We've gone rogue.
And no signs of Sean or Luke. This could end bad.
And this is the part where you start to get worried.
Yeah, this might not be good. We're checking literally every aisle.
Every nook and cranny.
I don't know.
And no luck.
Boys, we just got news. We just got confirmation. Back in the cereal aisle. We're gonna go check it out with them. Back in the cereal aisle. And we're gonna go check it out. We found him, boys. Wait till you see what we got here. No, wait. Stop. Just found a great fan of mine, Tony. You love to see Tony just hanging around Walmart. You know how we're doing. My boys, you know how we do. Walmart always keeps it lit with the snacks. We're gonna check it out and see if we can find any limited editions. So many options. You know we're getting a bag of the Old Bay seasoned cheese curls, limited edition, only at Walmart. Put that in the bag. Put that in the bag. Oh boys, this is heaven. One aisle for me. So many snacks. There's Cereal Time with Luke. So many snags. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's the perfect aisle. Classic. Funyuns, you know how we do. That's a little 9 out of 10 on the snack scale. Chester fries, 10 out of 10. These are an absolute steal of an item. If you see these in your local grocery store, please pick them up. Please give them a review and please comment it down below. There's one snack you can have right now. What would it be?
What does it go for?
No. No, pick a snack.
Okay. Alright, so if I had to pick one.
Any snack, but only one.
In the entire aisle. I'm gonna go with the red hot pork skins from Max.
No, do you like those? Do you?
No, I do not like them.
Why would you go with them? Look, I said if you could pick one and you.
Because I told you for my biggest trick. Because I'm actually going to go ahead and buy veggie straws.
Now, you're buying them?
No, I'm not buying them. I'm putting them back. To go ahead and buy.
Dude,
I have veggie straws at home. I mean, if I was to pick a snack, I'd probably roll with Chester's.
Luke,
But it's turtles, so I don't want the freaking turtles.
let's go.
It's Chester's.
What was I telling you about? That's what I was telling you about,
They're
boys.
insanely good. You know what I mean?
So good.
They're like a little hot.
They're better than Flamin' Hot Cheetos. They are made by the same company, but they are better.
They're a little bit better.
A little bit
They got a little
spicier,
bit extra spice.
a little bit flavorful, and just a little bit better taste.
Wow.
Alright boys, let's head home and try these snacks out. Alright boys, we just picked up our snacks, got back in the ride. We're ready to go home and try these out. What do you think about that, Luke?
I'm pretty excited. You know, this is truly the beginning for our collective. Hard to forget, easy to remember.
Let's go, boys. Alright boys, we made it back home here, and today we're gonna try out some snacks. Alright boys, today first up we got these Old Bay cheese curls. Let's go ahead and pop them open. I'm here with the boys. Now I'm gonna give each of you one. 1, 3. I don't like it. I personally love Old Bay, so these make a great snack for me. First time I've ever had them, let me tell you, I would snack them again. Now on the Snack Zack scale, let's get a close up. On the Snack Zack scale, I would rate them 8 out of 10. Sean, what do you give it on the Snack Zack scale?
No, it's pretty good, like Old Bay too, but it's a 7 for me.
I don't like it. I'll give it like a 5.
All right, boys, next up, we got ourselves classic Chester's hot fries. Only $2. They are really cheap, really affordable, really a great snack. Let's go try them out. I've had these before, and you boys would like a couple. Now on 3, we're gonna eat these. Nate, you want one? 3. I love spicy. I love Chester's. I love Cheetos. I love hot. Everything about these is just great. But one major complaint. Look at this. That is nasty. If you eat more than 10 of these, your hands gonna be covered in red, nasty goop. Now, Snack Zack skill, I rate them 10 out of 10, baby. A solid snack.
I'm not a big fan of spicy stuff, but these Chester's hot fries are so good. 9 out of 10.
I'm right there with Zach. I gotta give them a 10 out of 10. They're a classic. And
If
they're
this
only
is not in your
$2.
pantry,
They're only
I don't know what
$2.
you're doing.
$2. That's it.
Only $2.
$2 only is actually what it's like.
They are a great snack. Alright boys, for our next snack, a little crossover for you guys. You guys heard about Cereal Time with Luke. We're doing a cereal episode. Let's go! Crave cereal with chocolate, hazelnut inside, real chocolate. We're just gonna be eating them dry. Old strategy.
Let me get some.
Oh, I like that. Although I don't think
I crave these.
I don't think I ever want to eat chocolate again after the recent.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, go over and check out his video.
No.
Some stuff went down.
No.
gone wrong.
I just bit this halfway. And look at the chocolate in that. Are you kidding me?
But
Look at this. Look at
I
the
don't want
chocolate.
that.
There's not a lot of chocolate. And we don't like to see that.
I will admit,
Let's see if it's consistent.
if you eat one of them, you can get the chocolate flavor. So at least it's powerful enough. Now, these just by themselves are already the bomb. I would give these an 8 out of 10 on the Snag Zack scale dry. That's with no milk. Now, Luke, what do you give these dry?
Like a 6, because I ate too much knockoff chocolate toast crunch. And I like it, but I just can't eat any more chocolate or I might die.
I give it a 7.
All right, guys, next snack, we got a fan favorite, turmeric, baby. Now, this one was brought in by Cereal Time with Luke. He really was a good fan of I got a little too much turmeric.
So let me put my own on so I
Get a
can
good close up with that. Turmeric, everybody loves it.
Get some of that
Can't go
turmeric.
wrong with it.
Oh God!
Now I licked it. Dry.
It smells like something that'd be in your garage.
1 out of 10 dry. This sucks. But it could be used as a good spice ingredient. And
0.
on that note, I'm giving it a 2 out of 10 on the Snag Zack
0.
scale.
It's so
Now I
bad.
gotta find out what to do with this on my hand. I'll be right back, boys. Alright, boys, for our last snack, we got a fan favorite! Tostitos Lime! Alright, boys. One chip for you. Chip for you.
Whoa!
Chip for me.
Oh, you can just
Wow!
Oh my gosh! My favorite snack on this channel I've ever reviewed so far. 10 out of 10. That's it. You can eat these with nothing, and you can eat the whole bag. You can eat these with salsa, you can eat the whole bag. I don't care what you're eating these with, you're eating the whole bag in one sitting. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Snagging with Zach.